chapati. Panoorin nyo na lang po paano paggawa ng homemade chapati. Yan, ganyan ang isa. Diba? Homemade chapati. After that, sabihan na natin, bake it again. Rolling, rolling. Rolling, rolling. The rolling, rolling. Now you know how to make the chapati. This is the chapati. Look, chapati like a bread made in flour and make it proper rolling, rolling like that. Look, oh, we had the hands, front, back. Look, so we had a make it like this.